Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to drive your Audi A3 Sportback with a manual transmission. The first thing, we are sitting in a car at the driver's side. We have our key, and this key has to become now our starting key for that car here. This is the manual way to switch on the engine. There are different kinds of levels. The first level is push the key into the lock. The steering wheel lock is enabled. If we go to position 1, we can unlock this, and at position 2 there can be the switching on the vehicle's motor. The engine on option is then available. If you are switch on the car, of course you have to push the clutch and the brake pedal, because otherwise the engine will not start, because this is a safety thing. If you do not push the clutch, it will not start. So do not forget to push the clutch. And of course push the brake pedal. Well, your car will not drive away instantly. Then we can go. We push the clutch, hold the braking pedal, and go to gear number 1. And then we can release the parking brake, and then we will release a little bit the clutch and of course the brake pedal, and then we can start driving that car easily. So let's perform this now. We release the brake pedal and the clutch, and then we are on the road, as you can see. Of course you can use your steering wheel to drive around corners as well. If you accelerate with the right pedal, that means you will accelerate. And of course do not forget to switch between gear number 2, gear number 3 and gear number 4. Use for this the clutch pedal too. If you like to stop the car, use the brake pedal. This is the brake pedal is in the center. Of course, if you like to stop the car, keep pushing the clutch again, and then you have to secure first the car. That means go to gear number 1, for example, and then pull the handbrake. After this, you can switch off the vehicle and job's done. Your vehicle is then secured. That means gear number 1 is on and the handbrake is pulled, so your car will not drive away while the engine is off. Then remove the key and you're back on the road with your feet again. Check again, parking brake, gear number 1. This is important to secure your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.